Hi, everybody. Good morning. How is everybody today? I hope everybody is doing well. My name is Robin, and I will be sharing some positive news this morning about the economy and COVID vaccinations. As we all know, COVID has had terrible consequences on the economy. This has been such a difficult year for the country as a whole and the American people individually. We have faced challenges that we never thought we would ever be facing. The information which I am sharing is taken from an article written by Leticia Miranda on NBCnews.com and another article written by Mike Patton with Forbes.com. And I am incredibly happy to say is I have some good news. The information gives a positive outlook on healthcare type of jobs related to vaccines and how that is expected to help the economy overall. I am happy to be with you today sharing what I hope will be something that is not only useful but also beneficial to you. Many people have been personally affected by this situation, which was brought on by COVID. And according to Patton, prior to the pandemic, the U.S. economy was doing very well. So hopefully we are on our way back. Now is a good time if you have ever thought of looking for work in the healthcare field, as these jobs are expecting to be picking up due to vaccines, as trends are showing growth in healthcare positions that are related to vaccinations. The expectations are that millions of Americans will be fully vaccinated by this summer. Vaccine-related jobs are expecting to boost the economy. Vaccination effort is bringing jobs back. As stated by NBCnews.com, there are roughly 10 million unemployed workers in the country. As we know, due to the restrictive COVID mandates that we have been functioning under for so many months, so many aspects of the economy have been negatively affected, including businesses, employers, and employees. Many people have found themselves forced to close their businesses, leaving themselves and their employees out of work, and many of them being closed forever. As Patton states, there was a tug-of-war between the health of individuals and the health of the economy, and the health of individuals mattered the most. And this has created a hardship for many people, for both the business and the consumer, and has caused unemployment to rise in numbers, and has triggered a serious shortfall of money that would normally flow through the economy, and has also caused a severe downsizing of economic growth. In addition, according to Patton, unemployment has risen with a spike of 14.7%, which is the highest rate since the post-World War II era. And according to Patton, many employees will have to find new job opportunities. Miranda is presenting some positive outcomes, though, as in the field of healthcare jobs related to vaccines. There is becoming a growing need for medical professionals such as licensed nurses, medical assistants, lab technicians, and pharmacists. Some more medical indirectly related jobs would include vaccine clinic clerks, managers and program coordinators, and truck drivers. Although most people don't generally think of truck drivers as part of the healthcare process, but they do play a very important role as part of the distribution effort by making sure the vaccines get to the appropriate distribution location. Without the trucking industry, it would be almost impossible to even begin to get vaccinations circulated to their proper locations, such as health departments, pharmacies, medical clinics, and other designated areas. These positions give a little more opportunity to the cause of getting people vaccinated, along with providing more job opportunities to more people. According to Miranda, ZipRecruiter jobs that are related to the vaccine grew six-fold since this time last year. And some of these jobs are advertised as temporary or contracted positions. The temporary positions may not just be temporary. As they say, there are signs that immunity to COVID may not last forever. So some of these positions may last longer than previously thought. Although 90% of these jobs are full-time. New job postings follow a hiring spree in recent months by companies who are trying to fill vaccine distribution-related jobs. Some companies to look at would be Walgreens and CVS. As CVS is looking to hire 15,000 vaccine-related jobs, and Walgreens is looking to hire 25,000 vaccine-related jobs. According to these figures, Rite Aid is also looking to hire 2,000 pharmacy jobs, and Kroger is looking to hire 1,000 healthcare workers. According to Miranda, Gus Foucher, who's a chief economist of the PNC Financial Service Group, has stated that the estimated job market won't fully recover until the third quarter of 2022. So this gives us a little over a year still to look towards. But we do have some more good news in all of this, and that is that the effects of vaccine-related jobs on the economy and the overall influence of these jobs, what they have as a whole, because these new vaccine-related jobs have a double effect, as they help people get vaccinated, which in turn helps people get back to work. According to Miranda of NBCnews.com, the number of open positions is a good sign that the economy is getting back on track, which is great news that we can all look forward to. And once people are vaccinated, they can get out and work and spend. And according to Patton, the U.S. economy is driven by consumer spending. And when consumers are spending, the economy is good. These vaccine-related jobs will provide work for people who will in turn provide a service that will enable other people to get to work and contribute to helping the economy grow. As Patton explains, the path that the virus takes this fall and winter will be crucial, with the progress made on the treatment and vaccine front. And this news is good because we are now in spring and we have seen numbers take a drop in COVID cases. In conclusion, even though COVID has been devastating on our country, it has also opened a whole new area of opportunities of other fields of work. We see that this is a great opportunity for anyone thinking of getting involved in the healthcare field. The results of these vaccination jobs will help to boost the rest of the economy in the form of helping people get back to work. So the economy is showing hopeful signs, and our future is beginning to look much brighter. Thank you, everybody, for listening, and I hope I have provided you with some encouraging and beneficial information today. If you have any questions or input, please let me know, and I will be happy to get back to you. You can email me your questions or input and I will be happy to respond. Thank you again, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.